Now, probably the biggest factor in why real models are still superior to AI models is because of video. AI models have not been able to make real video just like models can. Now, in the modern day, this has been solved. We can now create fully AI generated video. And in this video, we have created a full tutorial on how to actually create that AI video content for your AI model. This video content can be used for social media or to be sold on spicy websites such as FanView, or whatever you can think of you can do with this video, so long as you can put a prompt in to do that. Now, you may have seen this video here that we posted literally a couple weeks ago about how to generate AI video content, and since then there has been advancements in the AI space on video itself. Crazy, right? A couple weeks ago that was the most advanced method. Now we've got an even more advanced method. That is how quickly the AI space is changing. And how are you going to keep up with this? The only way you can really keep up with that is by joining a large community of people who are doing exactly the same thing as that, which we will discuss at the end of the video. But for example, this student here is the one who discovered this method. As you can see, it is fully AI generated video content and it looks brilliant as well. And since this has been released, we have made advancements on this method too. Now we're going to cut to Toby. He is going to explain exactly how this is done and a full tutorial on how you create this AI video content for your AI models.
So as promised, we're bringing you the most updated methods on how to make AI videos, or photos to videos. Now, the platform we're going to be using is LumaLabs.ai. The reason for this is because it allows you to have the most amount of motion from obviously minimal prompts. So how does this platform work? We're going to be looking specifically on this section of the platform. I know it has many other features. So this is the image or text to video section. Firstly, I'm going to explain how it works. So you obviously click this button here in the top left, select your image, and then obviously select your prompt. There's your prompt, obviously press enter and it puts it in the queue. Now you get 30 image to videos per month for free at the time of filming, which is July 2024. Once you have sent off this image, it goes into a queue and it takes a few hours to generate the image. So whilst it's doing that, we're going to be looking at some of the past videos I've already made for you and obviously posted online for my AI model. So firstly, we're going to be looking at videos that have been created on LumaLabs. So this is one example here. As you can see, the face goes quite distorted. The arm and hand movement is a bit weird and very unnatural. However, the video goes quite well because the prompt that I use is very simple and not telling the model to stand up and go for a run, which is obviously going to confuse the AI and mess up the video. Because it's a simple prompt, the video is fairly basic with minimal movement. However, it looks like the model is alive. The only problem is obviously the face, which we're going to be able to sort out in a minute. And I'll show you how to then perfect the image or video and then monetize it. When creating these videos, I highly recommend creating quite a few of the same image. The reason for this is because it's going to allow you to then merge them all together and create some sort of montage for you to then post on social media. If you just go off one image, you may get about 2 or 3 seconds. If you do 4 or 5 images, then you're going to get a lot longer video, which you're going to be able to play around with a lot better, and it's going to look more realistic. Because once again, this is the first AI video software ever. This technology is very new, and obviously we're keeping you up to date as best as possible. To be able to get these videos consistent, once again, you need to be able to make a consistent model to be able to put into the software, which obviously we teach elsewhere. Links will be in description. Or you can simply face swap the image with your model's face and then it should be good to go, as I'll show you in a minute. The images that work the best on this platform are normally medium shot images or quite close-up images, such as this one here in the bikini or this one here where it's quite a close-up. The reason for this is because it maintains quality better. If you look at this video here, the face starts distorting, and even in this one the body starts distorting quite a lot as well. This is obviously massively reduced in the smaller or closer shot images and videos. But because we're using other software such as Genfluence to correct the face, longer shot videos such as this do work as well, as long as the body does not mutate. So this is where we're going to be perfecting the face. As you can see, we have already put the video into the platform, and this has deepfaked the face and completely corrected the image. So now it's 10 times better than what it was here, where the face is all mutated and warped. However, the image is not quite done. We then want to edit the image and perfect it so we can put it on social media. So this is a video here of the model being edited at a very basic level. It makes the model look like it's in a photo shoot rather than moving around looking like a weirdo. This can easily be done on CapCut by just adding a flash effect and obviously cracking on like that. If the eyes change colour and anything like that, that can be done on the retouch section on CapCut. You can add some grain and freckles, eyes, etc., makeup, just to perfect the model's face and make it absolutely perfect to then be able to post online. There's other images and videos such as this one here, where it's got a series of videos or image to videos all connected together to look a lot more realistic and a lot more monetizable.
Money. You love to see a nigga on the bottom. Catch a come up, gotta keep it on the low. A nigga plug, bless a nigga with a hoe.
You may be thinking that still looks very AI. And yes, you're not wrong. Once again, this is brand new technology of AI video. The first AI video that's ever come out. This is why it's so significant, because no one would even believe that is AI if they've seen a moving AI image. They're like, what the fuck? Never seen that before. But as a basic picture, you can still make money from this online. This is a model here called Emily Pellegrini. She earns 10k a month. Well, she did back in January. Now she makes a lot more than that. I can tell you that now. She makes, I believe in the last 6 months, she's made $500,000, and it's probably going up. But if you look at the level of quality of this image, it's not quite as high quality as Grace in these images here. So if you're questioning whether the images will actually sell at a lower quality or at this quality here, well, they sell at this quality very easily. So yes, the answer is yes, they will sell at this montage level quality. Now, where was AI video last month? Because we did actually make a video. Now, this was what the software was like last month. This is a software called Leonardo. Still works to this day, and it turns images into motion. However, as you can see, it's very minimal amount of motion in comparison to LumaLabs. This is clearly showing how quickly AI is expanding and getting better and better. Because turning an image into a video has gone from this to this in under a month. Now this is extremely important for us personally, because we're working in the AI space and we're constantly getting the new ideas, posting on YouTube and showing you guys. So to stay updated with AI is extremely important to be able to stay on top of all these trends. And that is why obviously our community is so important. I'm sure Kyle will discuss more about that now.
So as Toby brilliantly explained, that was how to create AI video for your AI models. As you can see, it is fully AI generated video that can be sold or posted on social media for marketing purposes. Now, how did we find this out? We had a model in our community doing this exact method. The person who figured this out obviously shared to the community their achievement, and we got straight on it. So how are you going to keep up with future advancements if you don't have a community like the one that we have? Well, the answer is you're not. We are the largest community. We are the fastest growing community, and we are the most advanced community in the AI OnlyFans industry. So if you are looking to join a community like this, go to the description. There is a link to our course. And also, if you are looking to invest a little bit more money, we do also offer one-to-one mentorship, which also comes with a community. Again, community is so important when it comes to these new business models. You're going to find out the latest information about what's going on, how to do what, and actually how we are personally marketing and selling this content ourselves. So if that is something that you're interested in, go to the description to find out more now.